Howdy y'all, welcome back to the Travisphere. I'm downtown at the Petroleum Building, Midland's oil boom backbone. Back in 25, a fella they call Mr. Midland rolled into town. He built this 12-story tower to prove his claim that this spot had more oil than anywhere in North America wasn't just hype. Let's watch the sun light it up and dig into the story. Hogan hit Midland in the 20s, fresh off oil gigs in Colorado, sure that he had struck gold. Biggest oil stash in North America within 125 miles of here, he reckoned. He pushed hard to make Midland the oil capital of West Texas, and in 27, he put his money down to build this 12-story neo-Gothic beauty, a hub for oil outfits. And the Yucca Theater right next door, built for shows and swagger. Finished in 29 and dedicated on the 4th of July with fireworks and all. Folks really thought it locked Midland in as the oil king. But then, bam, stock market crashed just months later. The Great Depression hit, East Texas oil tanked prices to $15 a barrel, and companies ditched town. When Midland finally became the oil center Hogan dreamed of, the Petroleum Building stood tall, playing a significant role in shaping the town. During a visit downtown in '54, Hogan looked out over the skyline and said, "This was my dream a quarter century ago, and it's come to life." Well, there you go. Sun's up. Hogan's dream is still standing tall. From boom to bust, back to boom, this place has seen it all. I'd love to be out on a hiking adventure this weekend, but taxes don't file themselves, and this old beast needs a tune-up. Let's head back to the shop and show this beast some love.
I'm thankful for the lessons and principles I learned here in Midland, Texas. I'm thankful for my friends. I'll come back to see you soon. God bless.
The old Tahoe needs a tune-up, so we're gonna swap the spark plugs and wires real quick. I've got some big trips lined up, so we gotta keep this old baby purring. Let's get to work. Now I know wrenching in the shop isn't the type of adventures y'all are used to me sharing here on the channel, but if we want to keep rolling down the highway It's got to get done. Oh yeah. Whew, them things are stubborn. Don't mind the degrading protection over the wiring harness, that's no worry. Just want to torch them babies in. Four down. Out with the old, in with the new. This isn't a how-to video, and I'm not telling you what to do with your life, but as to what I'm doing with mine, this is a little bit of dielectric grease that I'm spreading on the porcelain. Hopefully that keeps the boots from seizing up on these here spark plugs. These did come pre-gapped. When you start getting back here, you gotta be careful not to drop it down into the abyss. Some of you may be wondering how I just got that thing in there. I walk by faith, not by sight. Uno mas. Oh, don't fight me, baby. Just go in your home. Just like that. That's beautiful. Have you ever heard somebody with a loved one going in for surgery say, "Dear God, please guide the surgeon's hands"? That's pretty much my exact prayer when I'm going for that back plug. Lord, don't let me cross thread this thing. Just guide it right in there for me, please. Let's go get these put in. We're going to start at the back and work our way forward. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, there we go. Alright, that's half of them complete. That's half the job done. I'm going to quit playing with the camera and see if I can't crank this other side out a little bit quicker. I'll check in with y'all. Make sure we got the job done right before I wrap this up. Well guys, we're going for number 8. I've got 7 plugs changed. This back one's the biggest pain you could ever imagine. I think my wobble here is going to be the perfect secret weapon to get the job done. Let's see. Oh no! We got to get a real step stool. There she goes. Woo! No bad words even. Come on out to Papa. Plug came out, but it's staying in the engine bay. Where's she at? Right there. Oh, I have to go underneath. Oh yeah, looky what I got. Oh yeah, number 8, baby. Oh please, 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 please. Take care of me, come on. Come on, baby. Let's go, baby. Come on, baby. Let's go home, take it home. Take it home, baby. Oh yeah. We're gonna go extensionless to get it started. That wasn't feeling good, guys. Quick breather. That wasn't going good. That was a bad start. Oh no. Let's see if this is the trick. Come on, baby. Yup. 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 Alright, now give me that extension. Yup. I don't know. Yeah, she's definitely started. See if the wobble can tighten her. Thing is, it gets funky where it wants to not spin right and it wants to just turn 90 on you and do all kinds of weird things. But that's the tool I got for the job, so let's see what we can do. Oh yeah, she's on there. She's on there. Oh yeah. Uh-huh. There we go. There's 8 new spark plugs, baby. If I can just figure out how to get out of here, dang it. I'm stuck. Ah. Alright, guys. That's 8 spark plugs, 8 wires. Now's that big moment of truth. We gotta start this baby up and see if she's purring or if she's misfiring. Alright, baby. Come on now. Purr like a kitten. Yeah! Woo! Oh yeah. She's running much smoother. Oh yeah, the old girl's purring again. I'm gonna pull this thing out and let's take it for a test spin, see how she's running. I've got a stop in mind. Well guys, the rig is running good. And I've come by the Midland Fire Museum to give a shout out to my firefighter crew. My amigo Calvin is a retired firefighter. Y'all may know him as RV, living with the geezer. Back in his firefighting days, he rode on a truck just like this one. My brother-in-law Jody works for the Odessa Fire Department, doing what he can to keep Ector County from burning down. And my best bud Jake works for the Midland Fire Department right here. In fact, he's stuck on the fireman's pole. Get down, Jake, we gotta go. This one's to my firefighter family and all the first responders out there answering the call to keep us safe. Thanks for watching. Adios, amigos. God bless. I'll see you on the next one.